Hello, hello, hello. Today is July 1, 2021. Earlier today, in fact, it was 2 a.m. in the morning for me, I posted the solutions to problem 113. As 3 of my viewers pointed out, I missed an x squared after the 1/2 g. I added it here. Of course, there was no mistake in my physics, but this is what we call a slip of the pen. So my final result of 15.99 meters per second is obviously correct. Slips of the pen and slips of the tongue are unavoidable. It's part of life. It happens also during my lectures. All right, have a nice day and take care. And in spite of this slip, and there will be more in the future, I hope we will still be friends.